Okay, so it is that time again where you are not reacting to a video today.
Okay, I'm hesitant.
Instead, you're going to be reacting to a clothing fad from the 90s.
Oh.
Okay, I'm like really excited right now.
That many teenagers used to wear, called JNCOs.
I have no idea what that is.
JNCOs?
JNCOs? What the heck is JNCOs?
What do you know about JNCOs?
Nothing.
Never even heard of it.
Is it a type of rain jacket?
A clothing item shaped like Jenga. You have to piece them together.
I know as much about it as you told me right now.
Well, we have a pair to give you to get your thoughts.
Okay.
Here are JNCOs.
So they're jeans?
These are ridiculous. Are you kidding me?
Why are the butt pockets so big? It's like my forearm.
They should have had these now. I mean, look, you could fit like an iPad in there.
It's bigger than my head.
These are so wide. You can physically put your head all the way in.
These are so ugly. People actually wore these?
So what are your first thoughts?
Come on, guys. The legs are like the width of my body.
It's not my style, but it's really cool.
These look like pants that like you would garden in if you were 50.
I know 90s these were like oversized clothing, but this is ridiculous.
To be honest, I'd rather see this on people than like the tight, skinny jeans we wear now.
There were other types of these, including smaller ones for girls.
Oh, of course. Because this would look great on chicks.
Still so ugly.
So unnecessary.
They're not skinny jeans, definitely. I hate the little designs.
I guess they'd be really comfortable.
Maybe if they were like flare where they're tight in the legs and then flare out, but this is just like, oh.
And there also were really giant ones, including one style called mammoths.
Wait. This is like something Fat Albert would wear. Look at this.
These are huge.
These were so big.
They actually have the mammoth on it.
Who would want that on their butt?
I'm just surrounded by fabric right now.
I want to wear these to school and just see if I get beat up.
They're so ugly. Look at these things. They need to be burned.
So JNCO was a company, and in the 90s, their ultra-wide, straight-legged denim jeans became popular for male teens. Did you know this was a thing people wore?
No.
No, I don't get it.
This is insane. I had no idea. I've never seen these before.
I did. My brother had a couple pairs. I don't know why anyone would like wearing pant legs bigger than their body.
So the main group that started to wear these were skaters.
Okay.
But then it branched out and was worn in the metal scene, the rave scene, the goth scene, and even the hip-hop scene.
Really?
I mean, I guess I see it in the hip-hop community.
Sales in 1998 peaked at $186.9 million worth of JNCO jeans.
No. You swear?
I swear.
You lie.
How did I never know about these?
Can you believe that kids your age were wearing this?
No.
I don't get it.
I couldn't see anyone actually rocking these.
I can, but these are so ugly. Like, how did they find these attractive?
I could totally believe it. I mean, the stuff that we wear now, I can't believe.
I'm mind boggled. I feel like it's so cool.
What are the styles of jeans that people wear now?
Skinny jeans,
Black skinny jeans.
The high-waisted pants.
boot cut, or boyfriend jeans.
Stuff that completely constrain everything and they suck.
Another part of this was the artwork.
This?
What do you think of the idea that they would have various types of logos on the jeans for you to buy?
I guess it's like wearing a t-shirt now with a logo on it.
It's actually really smart to make each one a little unique.
I guess it adds an extra aspect of style.
I don't mind that. Some of them might actually look cool. As long as my butt pocket's not bigger than my leg, I'm okay.
You know what's gonna happen next.
I'm gonna have to try them on.
We want you to try a pair on.
All right.
Which ones?
I kind of want to put on these ones just because they're so big.
This is not cute.
I don't even have to take my shoes off for this. Look how big the pant legs are.
Look at that. I can fit my entire foot, like, straight.
How do I look, guys?
It's like wearing a jean dress.
What was someone thinking? What was the thought process here?
Urkel here.
The pockets go down all the way to here.
This is unnecessary.
Oh, that's uncomfortable. More than uncomfortable. That's the most uncomfortable thing I've ever felt in my life.
You're not capable of walking in these. You are not. This is. No.
I like them. And then if like you feel self-conscious, then you have another pair of pants under it. So it's like, it's perfect.
How do you think this happens? It's something that used to be popular, and now, not too many years later, you think it's crazy to wear jeans like this.
I think because style changes so much, so fast.
It's just weird right now because they're like 100% 180 of what I normally wear. Trends change. I'm kind of glad this one did.
So the 90s is when we were teenagers, so we had JNCOs.
You did not wear these.
In fact, we have a picture of Rafi wearing them when he was 17.
Stop.
I would love to see that picture. Yes.
Oh my gosh, no!
They don't look as bad as I thought.
I mean, you look really cool. You look like you think you're really cool.
Rough. They're so big and they don't look good at all.
This is actually from a movie that we made 15 years ago.
Oh man.
That's like when I was born.
We have a very quick clip of Rafi from our movie Community Service. Would you like to see?
Yes, very much so.
It's like Benny and Rafi History Day.
They're so baggy.
Tripping nude, kick the shit out of them.
So metal.
Sick hair.
Slade. Ah. I'm gonna call you Slade from now on.
Yes, that's so awesome. You're so hardcore. You've come so far. I'm proud of you.
Oh, that's awesome. I still don't understand the pants.
So finally, you might be wondering why we're choosing now to do this episode, and it's because it was just announced that JNCO jeans are going back into production.
No.
What's your prediction? Will this become a thing again?
Maybe.
No, I'm sorry, no.
I really hope to God no.
If it gets big, I'm not doing it. I refuse.
I don't want to see my children wearing these. I don't want to see my grandchildren wearing these. I never want to see these again.
Thanks for watching another episode of Teens React.
Let us know what other fashion styles we should react to next. But these, no.
New episodes of React come out every single week, so make sure you're subscribed.
Goodbye. I hope these stay dead, to be honest.